It's John McLauchlan. Welcome to day 159. This is the myleadgensecret Clickbank case study. Day 159. This is something that we've been doing since the beginning of January. Just see how much revenue we can generate in 12 months and beyond. And as you know, if you've been following along with this case study, we've changed products. We've started to gain some momentum with the new product, and that's what we're promoting now. We're promoting social sales rep. So let me go and show you the stats behind Clickbank. So here we are. We've got a flurry of sales, and then we've had a couple of days where we've had the weekend. So I've been sending over the weekend. Sometimes I don't always do the video on the weekend for obvious reasons, because I'm out having a bit of a life. So if we go to the reporting, we'll see what the numbers say. So currently we're going to go back to January the 1st to today. So Q3 today, first day of Q3. So let's see where we are. So 296061 on the gross earnings, 43,822 hops, 309 impressions, 94 new business sales with 4724 on the conversion. On the upsells, which is kind of not the upsells, on the rebills, 118 rebills, so they're going up. So what we're doing now is we're promoting social sales rep, social sales rep, because there was a better front end commission and because we get more recurring income, and that's what we're looking for. So that's what we're going to stick with from now to the beginning of Q4, maybe even the end of the year. Who knows? We'll see where we go. Right, so what I did, I went to the affiliate marketplace, I clicked on there. This is how I get the collateral for the emails that I send using myleadgensecret. Go on to e-business and e-marketing, and what you can do, if you go to sort result rank high to low, it'll give you the most popular products in this particular niche or in this particular category, which at the moment is live chat jobs, which is what we're promoting. Live chat jobs or social sales rep, it's the same thing. And I go to the affiliate page, and this will give you all your collateral. So it will give you emails, it will give you short videos. So you can do two things. What I tend to do, I go to the short ads, and then if I click on this drop down arrow, it gives me all the different ads. And the reason I like these is because you can take this as the main copy and then build around it. So essentially you're not copying and pasting. You are copying and pasting a little bit, okay, but it's important to get this right, because what it does, it relates to the landing page, okay. And the landing page, I'm sending people to the VSL, the video sales letter, okay, that's what I'm doing. And the other thing you can do is you can go to email swipes, and I must say, compared to the previous product we were promoting, these emails are pretty decent, okay. So they're fairly well written. There is some inconsistency with them, as you'll see. So this is why I don't recommend just copying and pasting, okay. Rewrite them for yourself, and if you start with the short ads like I've just shown you, then you've only got a small amount of information, so you build out from there. So let me just show you what I do. So this is myleadgensecret. If you don't know what it is, go and have a look at the card coming up here, or have a look at the description below. And what I've done, I've got a page together. Let me show you that page. So if you click the description, you'll see this page, and essentially this is a video on how I show you how to profit in the best way using myleadgensecret. In fact, I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing this one hand. This will show you how to profit using myleadgensecret. What I do, or what I've done, I've stacked my accounts. So I've got 5 accounts stacked on top of each other. Now myleadgensecret, they allow you to sign up using your own affiliate link. So instead of having one account and having 100 leads, when you refer somebody else, they give you a bonus of 100 leads. So you get 200 leads every single day, and they'll give you $5 per month commission. Now if you sign yourself up, they will give you the commission and the leads, okay. So they allow you to do that, and I've done that 5 times. So I've got 5 accounts. What I recommend is, if you're going to do this strategy, start with 3 accounts. And the reason for that is because it kind of makes good business sense. I don't think you're going to be rushing in straight in with 5 accounts, and you're paying a lot of expenses out. You're probably not going to get a return for maybe 30, 60, 90 days as a general guide. So start with 3 accounts, and if you can't afford 3 accounts, bearing in mind, if you look up here, look, quite open with the price. It's $60 one time for the first month, and then $30 a month thereafter. Okay, so it's $60 for the first month, and then $30 per month, every month thereafter per account. Okay, so again, just times that by 3 or 5 or how many accounts you want. If you can't afford that, then just start with 1 account. There's nothing wrong with that, but you just realize that it's going to take you a bit more time to build up those leads. And what I would do first of all is I would promote My Lead Gen Secret, so you get the bonus leads in the first instance and also the commissions. So it offsets your expenses a little bit. Just common sense. Right, so there's our Clickbank stats. So I want to go into My Lead Gen Secret. I've got an email that I've put together already. This is all about working on TikTok. So what I'll do, I'll go to mailing system, and we'll go and see. You can see there, look, I get 100 to 200 leads every single day. They accumulate in your account, and over the past 5 years and probably a few days, that's accumulated to 343,000 leads. Okay, and it will send to the latest 200,000. So we're going to click on load, and then I'm going to grab my subject line for here. All I've done, I put my email together like this, okay, in a notepad. You can do it in a notepad, or you can just do it straight into My Lead Gen Secret. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Okay, but that's just the way I do it. So that's in there. So $30 an hour, John, working on TikTok for online businesses. There we go. Simple as that. Keep it simple and straightforward. Then we're going to go and grab all the text. Now, one thing to remember as well is that we are in the summer months, which is never great for online businesses because things always contract a little bit. What I mean by that is just it's not as busy because people are out on the beach. People are enjoying the weather, having barbecues. They don't want to be out. They don't want to be in, rather. So it does get a little bit quieter. So that's one thing to bear in mind. However, what I will say is that when it's quiet, if you're productive when it is quiet, whilst everybody else is being lazy and going to the beach because they can't be bothered to be indoors, okay, then you will get the benefit when it becomes busy again, because you will be appearing in people's inboxes. You'll be appearing all over the internet whilst other people aren't. Okay, so that's important to remember. Right, so I need to go and grab the I need to grab the URL, so I'm going to change that. Right, there we go. So this, the main link, the main call to action, I bold it, hit the link, right click and paste. Grab that, hit the link, right click, paste that in, but I'm going to put 1A on there so I know which link people are clicking when I get sales. And also, so if you're not quite sure how to get the link, real simple, just go to promote, and all I do is in the external click ID, I just put my details in there, so 1ml and the date, okay, and then just change it, and then you just click OK, and it'll give you a link. Make sure you've got your name in there, your nickname, okay, and that's your link. There we go, all done, all set to go. Okay, so we'll go on perfect timing, we'll go on preview. There we go, there is the email. What I tend to do with the formatting, okay, it's important to get your first call to action in the top section, first 2 or 3, probably the first 3 or 4 paragraphs I would say is about right, and give people what you want, and also give people what they want in terms of answering their question. Okay, working on TikTok, what is it, John? Tell me all about it. Okay, and if you tell people and you're open and you're transparent and you write it in the right way, it will pique people's interest, and eventually they will go and purchase. Okay, and if you do a good job, then they will maintain their membership, which is even more important. Okay, remember, we're getting repeat sales from January. Okay, seven months now. Okay, so that's really important to do that. Customer care is everything. It really is. So I'm going to click that just to make sure it's okay. So there is our hop ID. There's the landing page that we're going to use. So we're all good to go. Go and check the other one. I always check these as a matter of course, because if you make a mistake or something happens, then you're not going to get accredited for the sale. What I do again with the formatting, I tend to break up the formatting so people's eye is drawn. So there you've got one line and 2 lines, and 1 line there, 2 lines, 1 line, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. So it kind of breaks it up. Looks better. Right, there we go. Perfect timing. We're good to go. Let's go and send the email. Okay, I've got to go and select the leads I want to take it to. So I want to select all leads, or at least the last 200,000 leads, and we're going to send email. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get a brand new notepad, and I'm just going to copy the subject, paste it in, go to the source code, click anywhere, Control A and C, paste it in. There it is. There's your subject line, there's all your copy or your source code. So click anywhere, Control A and then C. That's copied all that to the clipboard. So all we're going to do now is cycle through the accounts. So I'm going to log out. As you can see here, look, I've got 5 accounts all ready to go. So click on number 2, mailing system. Again, select all leads, right click and paste. And source code, Control A, V. And what we'll do now is just change the URL from a 1 to a 2, just to relate to that account. So if I get the stats come in, I know which account has made the sale. Perfect timing, send email. There we go. Have a slurp of coffee. Right, then we go and log out. And then we're going to log into account number 3. Select all leads, right click and paste. Send. See, once you've got your first email done, you can cycle through fairly quickly, and it's a benefit. It's a benefit to spend the time writing a good email and practicing your skills. So, like I said, simply copying and pasting from Clickbank isn't going to really benefit anybody. I mean, you may get a few sales, but what are you going to learn? You're not going to learn anything. And my thing about being an online business owner, being an online business coach, is if I can teach you enough to learn, or if you can spend the time to learn, then you've got skills for life. And that really is everything. It really is. Right, number 4. Perfect timing. Preview it again, just have a quick look. Sometimes if you're cycling through accounts, you just think, oh, I better just preview it to make sure it's okay. But it is always okay because you paste in from the source code. But it's always good to check. It's always just a little bit of a what we call it, a sanity check. Right, that's going to be sending, and we've got one more account to do. Number 5, mailing system, select all leads. I'm going to paste that in. Source, Control A, V, source code. Number 5 and number 5 again. Perfect timing. Send email. We're done. Look at that. It was 16 minutes. That was quite a short one today. But really, that's all they need to be. Okay. Sometimes I'll give a longer training, but you know, nice and short. Okay. So let's give a quick look at the marketplace. Oh, sorry. Let's look at Clickbank again. Refresh the page. We're trying to get over the $3,000 threshold for Q3. I knew we wouldn't really reach it because we changed products and we're just getting back into the groove. And one thing I'll say is that sometimes the people who sign up as customers, it's taken them a week sometimes to open the email to actually making the purchase. So when you change products, it takes them a bit of a time to get back into that rhythm and see what you're actually sending. Okay, but we'll see how this week goes. Well, I think we're going to be on for a reasonable week. Currently, where we are right now in terms of, did I get that right? No, I need dashboard. So current stats for the week, they've been dropping a little bit. 84.04 for the week. We're currently on Monday and our week starts on Wednesday, so we'll see how we go on Wednesday. If we get over the this 1, 2, 3 area, isn't too bad. Remember that the actual target is at 200, so $200 a week is what we're looking at, and so we're pretty shy of that right now. So let's see what happens in the week. If you got some value from this, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a whole lot of information on this channel, and if you go to the description below, not only will you be able to see that My Lead Gen Secret page, but also you'll be able to get yourself signed up for my affiliate marketing masterclass. And if you haven't got that yet, just go to the page and get access to it right now. If you got some value, give us a big thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Really appreciate you if you're a subscriber. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment below, and I'll see you on the session tomorrow. Bye for now.